This is the tail. Both side wheels. Top, bottom, fins. This is the dangerous part. So you need to be avoid not to hit in this. At the beginning, for the right-handed, first, you can lie down on your board. Okay, the two in the tail of your board. And your body in the middle of the board. And hands down on your chest. But at the beginning, if I said ready, relax. If I said get ready, paddle. Paddle long stroke. If I tell you stand up, put your hand down to your chest. Right here. Pull up. Step right. Hands up. Left. Both legs side this. Don't forget to bend your knee. Look forward. And hands position in the front. And then at the back. So maintain your balance. Okay? One more time. Okay, ready? Paddle. Stand up. Push. Right. Hands up. Left. Bend your knee. Look forward. Balance. And smile. Okay, not too serious. One more time. Paddle. Up. Right. Left. Bend your knee and look forward. Okay, who's the one first?
Ime. Ito. Ay, kuha naman sa intermediate.
Paddle. Stand up. Push. Okay. Can you do it slowly? Okay. Not so fast. Paddle. Stand up. Step by step. Push. Step left. Okay. You can do it like this. In the middle. Because if you put on the back, you don't have enough balance. Pull. Yes. Perfect. So if you do it like that, so if it's too close, you need to widen the bend. Okay, one more. Paddle. Stand up. Push. Right. Left. Okay. And then push. So you need to bend your knee. Look forward, balance. If you want to go left, put more weight on the left side, then you can go on the left. If you go right, put more weight on the right, then you can go on the right. The most important, look forward always and smile. Okay? Okay, who's the one next?
Ina intermediate sub.
I do like this.